Everybody recognises the big things, but what about the small things? What about the nuts, bolts and screws that literally hold our lives together? Every time you go in the kitchen, just remember when you open a drawer in your kitchen, the keys in your pocket, the watch on your wrist. It's everywhere. We just take it so much for granted that we don't even notice it, and it's 100% recyclable. So why are we not investing in steel?
A loss of £700 million a day was the figure said by Scunthorpe steelworks owners Xingye. This was before they threatened to shut down the site, which forced the UK government to take control back in June. As recently as the 21st of August, the UK government had to step in again, this time to save Sheffield Steelworks, UK's third largest behind Port Talbot and Scunthorpe. If steel is so important and in demand, how is it losing so much money?
The kind of turnover that a company like this has, it's billions. Our turnover is billions a year. Our wage bill alone is a couple of $100 million a year. Energy and raw materials are by far our biggest costs. Costs skyrocketed as a result of the Ukraine war. That added £120 million a year to our energy costs.
So what benefits, other than saving thousands of jobs, does a loss-making steelworks have? Well, it's a foundation industry, so many other businesses rely on it being available. It's key to existing sector plans and used in construction to build rail, homes, infrastructures for clean energy. This aims to make household energy bills more affordable.
Port Talbot has sort of jumped onto the moving to the green steel thing faster than Scunthorpe. Less to do with sustainability and more to do with they were at a point where they were losing a lot of money. It was probably a case of either do a deal with the government and move towards an alternative form of production or close the plant.
We got some industry experts in and said, and they told us if you were to put in a 300-ton furnace in there, the first time you switch it on, you'll black out the whole of Scunthorpe and the surrounding area because the pull on the grid would be so massive.
We've suffered a little bit, perhaps for lack of investment over that time, partially brought about by lack of sort of clear government strategy and policy.
Just lost count the number of politicians who've promised the earth and delivered nothing. We've not planned for the future. We've just made do with what we've got. So we're eagerly awaiting now the government's strategy.
Scunthorpe and steel need investment. They need strategy so that they can build a better future and continue to hold our lives together.